Five of Phantoms stood leaning against their luxurious cars as they all have to check on their ship which just arrived from Japan to Korea today. Soon the door swung open, revealing Hyosuk and Jimin. As all seven reached out near their sleek cars with their eyes gleaming with cunning intensity, it was as if the arrival of remaining members was the final piece in a puzzle of word phantoms. So as Namjoon signaled all to leave, Al's stored hands reached out for the door handles of their luxurious cars before they slid into the seats as vehicles began to move in a slow, deliberate procession. Convoy of black cars came to a halt at the edge of the pier as the doors of each opened, emerging phantoms their faces stern and their eyes scanning the scene before them. They stepped out of their vehicles. Their expressions reflect shock and disbelief. Before them lay a sight that made their hearts sink. Their cargo ship filled to the brim with expensive products was engulfed in flames now. The fire raged like a beast, consuming every time in its path as the stewards watched each valuable product go up in smoke. Crates and containers were ablaze, their contents spilling out onto the dock. Who had the audacity to strike at the belonging of their empire? He said with rage in his eyes, while his eyes brimmed with frustration and payback. The persons wondering wrong will not go unpunished by us. He stood united in his grief and wrath as his eyes never left the sight of their loss. We need to get to the bottom of this and find the offender. He stated a declaration of war against the unknown enemy who had dared to cross them. The scene was one of the utter devastation, a testament to the destruction, the power of fire, and the cruel twist of fate. The seven once confident stride had been reduced to a stern dead silence. We will avenge every prejudice they have perpetrated against us. His massive frame quivering with rage, immense head belled into fist, ready to unleash his wrath upon the world. Each one's faces converted in anguish, they clenched their fists, digging deep into their palms with the rage that too, who dared to do this, who had the audacity to strike at the belongings of their empire. Our turn would be merciless for those who have wronged phantoms. Stood his gaze narrowed in twists when his face is deathly pale, mourning the loss of the cargo and their diligence only. Soon we will ruthlessly reclaim every loss they have bought in Phantom's territory. He vowed in unison to make them pay to bury them alive for their temerity, seeing the ship's funeral pyre. We will retrieve them by pulling out from the depth of their stronghold pitilessly. He stared at the sight with raw display of fury that seemed to shake the very essence of the strength. The others nodded in unison, flashing with agreement a warning to the unknown offender that the phantoms would not rest until they had exacted their revenge. The others nodded in unison. They stood in a semicircle around the burning cargo, faces usually stoic and calculating now wore a mask of sorrow and fury, eyes blazing with fierce intensity, jaw clenched, teeth grinding against each other. Their massive frame quivering with irate and fire leave nothing but a smoldering hulk of twisted metal and charred wood.
The sound of rain falling on the clear road and the greenery of Ilsan side area is even blooming more. Positioned black cars in middle of the empty road underneath the heavy stormy rain shows the presence of sevens. Regardless the stormy weather, there stands phantoms here to test the faithfulness of Minsuk's Namjoon stands by the bonnet of his luxury car, his eyes on the soaked road, shrouded in thoughts. Hoseok standing on the gate of car, folding his arms on the muscular chest with impassive expressions. Beside him stands Jungkook with unreadable visage, with the burning stick in his durable fingers calmly. Jimin's resilient hands inserted in pockets with his orbs on the road as his long tresses powering his muscular form on the Mercedes surface inclines the hulky being of V who crushes burnt secret underneath his shoes with plain face. Suga passed the lighter to Jungkook afterwards, lighting the poisonous stick between his mouth. The quietness of area speaking thousands of unsaid words by phantoms with sound of darkening clouds thunder. In the darkest hour, even the shadows deserts you. The husky voice now illuminating the grief in the true words of Hoseok as the rest of others passed a sharing gaze to him. Though others may falter, phantoms' elegance remains unshaken, a beacon in the tempest. Phantoms grin at the statement, knowing their bond is more resilient than any other. That was when few other dark cars stopped near theirs as one of a muscular men unlocked the door of lavish vehicle from which get down well-built male none other than Minsuk. Phantom stepped ahead as they handshaked with Minsuk, maintaining the intensity of their era. His men stood side by side around him with straight posture. What have been the matter? Minsuk stated while eyeing the sevens, whose eyes never diverted for an instant while as they all stared with the authority. Are you willing to make a difficult choice to prove your loyalty, Minsuk? Namjoon's voice deep and imperious as he raised his brow with grimness on the features. I will make the hard choice to stand by Phantom's side, Namjoon. The unwavering answer of Minsuk showed his character and the words that he kept. We need bags filled with money till night. Jungkook exhaled the smoke in the air with serious face as he stared at Minsuk who passed him a nod. Our first profit's worth will be yours after sales. Suga stepped near Minsuk with his unyielding vitality and the clouds of smoke from the burning cigarette in his fingers. Are you going against the industry to stand by us? Seokjin spoke, standing while leaning against the black car with his arms settled on dark clouds. I will take the road less used if it means standing by you. Money will be right on doorway of your mansion. Minsuk spoke with slight grin as the phantoms gave him the same expressions. Storms exposed the pretenders, but the loyal stand firm. Jimin spoke, staring at Minsuk, who gave him a assuring look as he handshaked to Phantoms to take his leave. Before Minsuk settled in his car, he stopped on the words of Namjoon, who is standing firmly. You can look for us whenever you want to pierce someone with bullets. Minsuk grinned at the statement, passing note to tall male, and then he and his men drove away. Let's head to mansion now. Others nodded and they settled in their luxurious cars before driving from the empty area, leaving the place in dead silence and tranquil. To be continued.